This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Switch it up. We're live. We're back after a long hiatus, 1 week. We were on vacation with our families in Dominican Republic. Not lying, he's joking. Yeah. Yes. I'm in a good mood this today, and my weekend was good, but I spent most of the time back testing. I created a new algo, which I'm gonna run on the on Sim 101, and I worked besides for that algo, Antonio, the Madman Antonio algo, except it got renamed to. It doesn't matter what it got renamed to. Stupid name. No, but all joking aside, and in all seriousness, I worked really hard on techniques to stay disciplined. And they're kind of wacky and way out there, but I think they're going to work for me. I did a little bit today. It wasn't a perfect process. I wasn't completely comfortable with it. I worked on it again pretty much exclusively from 4 o'clock till 8:30 to get it so that it resonates and it means something to me. And yeah, if you're interested, we can talk about it online, or we can talk about it privately later. Maybe you're going to roll your eyes and think I'm an idiot, but the point is, if it works, then I've made a discovery for myself. If it doesn't work, I just wasted a lot of time. But something's got to be done, because I know if I trade disciplined, if I'm a machine, I'm going to kill it. And I have to get to that machine state. I really got to be trading like a machine. I can't be breaking my rules. I can't be chasing trades. I can't be taking late entries or early entries or yeah, revenge trading, increasing the size. Sometimes I forget. I don't know if I have early onset memory problems, but I forget. Like I said, I don't know. My brain doesn't. But look what I got. Did you see my clicker? Did I tell you about it? It's part of the process. Yeah, as soon as my candle closes and I know that a trade triggers, I got to do this. That is a brain opener for me. It means that I'm actually using my brain and not running on autopilot. I'm actually thinking during this trade, which means not only am I thinking to click the clicker, I'm also thinking on the size, and I'm paying attention on whether or not I'm chasing. So no click, no trade entry. So I can't impulsively enter a trade. I'd have to click and then impulsively enter a trade. But that click signifies open your brain and start thinking. Are you... Okay. Hey, isn't that how we train animals? Isn't that how we train animals? Exactly.
Rather, right? I don't think it has anything to do with control, just keeping you aware that I'm in it. I'm over here clicking this button, pay a little bit more attention to what's happening to my trade.
Exactly. That's exactly it.
Whatever. If it works, it works.
Not running on autopilot and making mistakes, because the subconscious can take over so easy.
Sure.
Like I don't know.
You know what I've done? What I find works for me, and it's not. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. It's not like walking away completely and disappearing. Like I get out of trades. Like I had to go to my daughter's recital today, and I caught that long at the bottom. And if you guys watch my stream in the morning, my target was 500, 510, something like that.
Okay.
But it was at the top. It was a 300-point move. I got out with a small chunk of it. A small chunk, I did well. I didn't trade funded accounts yesterday, guys, but I did okay. I got about $750 on an eval on the last. I have 2 evals right left. Those 2 take profits that I'm working on. They're both now at 6,200. I had a $700 day and a $600 day on the other. So both at 6,200. They're about $2,800 from being funded. I didn't take any funded trades. I did want to take that long on my funded trade on the retest. I actually saved the trade. It's all on my screen here. That's the long, and that's where I got in. I actually got in on the first one right here. I was in right here on the blue box. And my target was these highs, right? So first trade would have been done fully out. And then I went to get back in on the retest once it came back down right here. This is my trade. But I hesitated. It moved really quickly, pumped up. I got another entry at the top over here. Just didn't want to take it, right? You'll see it's all marked out. And I just didn't take it. And it's all good, right? It's all good. I did take it with the evals eventually. I got off stream, I think, somewhere around here. And I jumped into a long. And that's where I got the majority, the bulk of my profits was the rest of this move. And stuck to the evals, right? I stuck to evals today. I didn't want to really jump into any fundeds. Just wanted to kind of just clear my head. It was Monday. Wanted to see what price action really wanted to do. And yeah, that was it. So no funded trades today, but progress. It was a great tape, and it was good trades on those evals, right? We're getting close to passing them. And that's all that matters to me, right, guys? It's consistency. So for me, futures, what I'm really working on this month is my consistency on taking only A+ setups, trying to hold my trades longer, right? But the most important is keeping my position size according to my account size, right? And keep being able to manage my trades better. So that's my goal. In addition to that, spending no money, right? I'm not trying to give these prop firms any more money. So if we mess up accounts, if we're that stupid and we get to a point where we're blowing something,
bye, Dave.
It's gone. It's gone. You know, I'm not gonna circle back to that account. Doesn't make sense to start to spend more money. We're here to get payouts. Let's extract money from these guys. Right? I've got 30 something accounts. I don't need to give them any more money. So in addition to that, I'm really trying to not focus on payouts. Right? So screw the payouts. I just need to get back in my game. I need to get back in my game. Small position sizes. And I want to see red, right? I said that before and I'll say it again. I need to become a better loser. So because I have so many accounts, I'm also not looking to take 1,000 trades, right? It's not how I trade. But if I take $150, $200 loss on a 50K account, $300 loss on a 150, I got to be done for the day, guys. I have to put that account aside. So that's one of my biggest, one of the biggest things I'm working on, futures, this month, is really walking away from those DLLs, right? So I'm going back in. I'm adjusting the DLLs, small, tighter. I'm going tighter. I know it's.
What do you mean by walking away from those DLLs? You mean not using them anymore? But fuck. Sorry, I'm having a problem here.
No worries. So most of the time I'll use them.
I'm having a problem with something. But this is important, so let me minimize the volume here. You mean
do you need to deal with something right now? Go ahead, please.
Yeah, no, I'm working on it, but it's okay. No, because like I'm listening out of the other ear, and you said walk away from the DLLs. You mean once the DLL is hit, you don't trade anymore?
That's correct. Well,
Okay, you
well,
don't.
I also had, so I had my DLL set really high, right? I had my 50K accounts. I was giving myself $500.
Okay.
That's
No,
just too
I was
much.
just worried that you meant not to use them anymore. Like I'm walking away from the DLLs. I'm not using them anymore. Thought that's what you
Well,
meant.
even if I don't have a DLL up,
Yeah.
right? Even if it's not on the account, I want to be able to walk away from $150 loss, turn to another account, and leave it there.
And that's why I
Red,
interrupted you
red.
because today my process was trade a PA account, copy trade to one eval account, and one loss, rotate. And I did it, and I was really happy with the results. So I had one PA and one eval red for about 100 and something. And then I think I had another PA, kind of screwed up the trade. Yeah, it didn't copy properly. So I just bailed. It was like, I think down -6. And then then 6 accounts were green. So I said it really worked
Evals.
well. Yeah.
6 evals.
No, 3 and 3, I think. 3
Oh,
and
three
3.
PAs and 3 eval. Beautiful.
Yeah, 2 PAs on Apex, 2 evals on Apex, and then 1 and 1 on.
And then you had the one, red, right?
I had the
One
one
PA
red.
red.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
which is exactly what I'm shooting for,
but
right? So
leaving after, but the key, leaving after that one loss and going to another pair.
walking away. Yep.
Beautiful,
That's it.
beautiful. The loss was 136 on the PA. I said, that's beautiful. I'll never
Big deal.
if I do this, I will never lose this account.
Right. Exactly. And that's my goal. So my goal is, and we've said this before, is just to become a better loser.
Hey, what?
I just hey, what's up, Woodchip? I just wanna, I wanna have the ability to just walk away and be content with taking a good trade that just went against me. Right? Like that's fine. That's okay. So I'm trying to keep my losses small, right? And as well as walking away small so I can recover easily, right? So if I
Yeah.
take a trade, if I'm negative 90, negative 150, it's not a big deal. That's another singular trade, right? With
I
two
know.
micros, 3 micros
That's what
for
I
me.
was saying when
So
I disconnected this morning. I was looking at the numbers and I was laughing inside. I'm saying, fuck, this is like, I don't know, like 10 minutes recovery. Tomorrow when the market's open, it's going to take me 10 minutes to recover this loss. It's nothing.
exactly. No, exactly. That's the reality. So I'm not really looking to put too much focus on payouts. I think that's where I screwed up last month. And I was on track for a good month last month, guys. I was on track for a nice $6, $7, $8,000 month. And then I blew 2 take profit accounts at payout, right? In profit. They were both 250 in the green when I blew them. I blew three Bulenox accounts that were 2,000, 2,100 in the green, right?
Wow.
So we're talking, we out the window 10K in equity,
Is that
but a potential 5 payouts right there alone.
over a
And then I get,
process of days or just like in one trade, one shot?
no, that was in one trading session, just on tilt.
Yeah, no,
I just
that's
kept
horrific.
switching accounts, and I kept going big, minis. I wasn't trading micros. I was going minis, right? And I knew that was the problem. I don't trade like that,
Mm.
So I was breaking all the rules, jumping in with minis, trying to get to those payouts fast, right? Why? Because I'm watching a lot of these other streamers. They do all
Mm.
that dumb shit, and you get caught up, right? You're like, I could do that. I got a better setup. I can do that. My setup will do it. And
Yeah,
then,
apparently
but then
FSP
you're
made
not. But
$76,000 today.
who?
I don't know. I think a FSP, Future Scalper Pro or whatever his name is, I think his thumbnail shows $76,000.
Oh, I jumped into his stream while he was at some point towards
Yeah,
the
he's
end.
not
He
making
had
76.
a
So what does he
lot of
make
greens
1,000,
today.
lose 1,000, make 1,000, lose 1,000? He does this 76 times.
No, sometimes he
He's
has
even on
bad
the day and
days.
he just counts his winners.
No, I think he had a lot of winners today. I don't think he had too many losers. I think he was hitting his shots today. He hits a lot.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes he's on fire. maybe he'll blow 1 or 2 accounts, but sometimes he's on fire. That man can make some bank with those big contracts. But he
76,000. What
also
size is he trading?
he trades minis. He trades 2 to 5 minis.
Yeah.
You know, and he shoots for 20 points, 10, 20 points. So some of those trades are, you know, 5, 4 grand, 3 grand. His average, I think, is like in the thousands, like 1,200, 1,500, something like that. You know, 800. He'll close his trades out. But you know, he has good days and he has bad days. Today, I think was one of his really good days. But I've seen him blow accounts. Just recently, I think he blew a whole shit ton of funded accounts, and he ran through a bunch of evals. And
Well, I don't know where
you
he's
know,
trading like that. I don't know who he's using because nobody wants traders like that anymore.
no, they don't. Nobody wants traders like that anymore. And eventually, he's going to end up, you know, losing the opportunity to trade with these firms. But he is trading different with Apex, for example, right? Like he tightens up his positions. He trades with minis, but he still takes good trades. He still takes good entries. His entries are based on levels, right? He takes optimal trade entries, OTE, right at the 786. He'll go bigger. He'll add when it gets a little deeper. And that's how he trades. So he does wait for the pullbacks to get in. And when he trades his Apex accounts, he trades with 1 or 2 minis. He doesn't go bigger. And he has a hard stop on the book, always. So, look, I can't knock how he trades. That's his model, his setup. He gets payouts, you know, more than most people. So,
No, I can't knock it. He's playing the mathematical game, and
correct.
I believe 100% in my heart he's playing it and winning it. I don't think he's dumb. I think he knows how to what they would call gaming the system. You know,
Absolutely. And he's not only,
losing
and
your
look, and
accounts, losing 30 accounts total, knowing that your investment on that 30 account mix between evals and sim funded is going to be 11,000, and knowing that you're going to pull out 20,000 and you've
right.
almost doubled your money. It's kind of like,
Correct.
I think of it
Correct.
like, here's a gaming the system for a restaurant. You go into a restaurant, you eat 60% of your meal, you go to the cash and say, I didn't like it, it wasn't good, something was funny, would you like another one? No. Give me my money back. And then
Sure.
you do like you do each restaurant one time and you do it in rotation. That's gaming the system because you know they're going to give you your money back. You know, and
Look,
the
at the
process
end,
is for them to give you your money back, but you're not legit. You're not a legit customer, just like he's not a
right.
legit trader doing that.
But look, at the end of the day, it's not just about trading for him, right? He also has 3,000 people watching and 3,000 people using his code, right? Give or take. So this guy's making a shit ton of money on affiliate money. He's got to be up there with PW. If he's got to be making more
Uh,
on affiliate money
at
than
least
PW.
$200 a month.
More. He's killing
You don't know
futures.
my humor yet. Come on.
But all jokes aside, he's killing it
Yeah.
because his strategy calls for blown accounts, a lot of blown accounts.
Yeah.
So
So
everyone
there you
that
go. He
follows
figured out
him,
the holy grail. Yeah.
a holy grail,
He,
everyone that follows and buys accounts from him is blowing 10, 20 accounts, sometimes more. So that man's he's got to be making a lot of money on
Love you too,
affiliate
JC.
codes.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, let's just throw a number out there. 3,000, let's say 500, pick up 5. Let's say 200 a day. Maybe it's not even that many a day. Maybe 200 people pick up 5 a day.
What?
That's a
Oh,
thousand. That's
5 a
1,000
day?
accounts a day,
Wow.
easily. Oh, easily. The way they blow them futures, the way he blows accounts, the way he trades, I'm guaranteed these guys are blowing through accounts left and right. And I'm being super conservative to say only 200 out of the 3,000.
Yeah.
The reality is,
That's
let's go with
10%.
but let's go more realistic. The way he trades and his model, say 50. If he actually has 3,000 people watching, say 1,500 pick up 5 accounts a day. All
No.
right?
Come on.
Gosh, I'm not even kidding.
On.
I shit you not. I shit you not. The way he trades, I would not be surprised with those numbers that I'm throwing out right now. That's 7,500 accounts a day. If he's getting an affiliate money of, what is it? $3 per account? What is it? I
Depending,
forget.
3 to 4, 3, 4, 5. If they're going for
Right?
the higher
This
accounts,
guy's got to be making 100 fucking grand a month plus, man.
yeah.
I shit you not. I
Yeah,
shit
yeah,
you
yeah.
not.
I'll go with 100 grand a month.
150
a month.
150 maybe.
Yeah.
And I think we're lowballing it.
Probably.
On affiliate money. I'm just
Probably.
talking affiliate money. I think it's like $5.36 per account that we get. Because we get 15%. So let's say you got those codes and we had, was it $16 right now for the Apex account? So the $16 ones we get a lot less. But let's say we're getting that 15%, right? Times so 16 we said oh, why did I clear it? Right, times the 15% equals $2.40. You get double that usually, right? When it's the 80% off. So if he's getting $2.40, and we're talking, let's say, all right, let's lowball it. Fine, let's lowball it to 5,000 to 2,000 accounts a day that he's selling. That he's getting affiliate money on.
No, that's not lowballing. He's got 3,000 people in his room. You're pretty much saying you're saying everyone in his room is getting one.
Yeah, but I'm trying to tell you that we're going with one. Most people in his room could blow all of their accounts in a day.
Yeah, 10.
Let's say 20 sometimes. Let's say that some are 10. They're replacing these accounts for the next day. They might get a payout on one, but they're still going to replace those accounts on the rest of them.
Yeah.
And if he's got 3,000 people following this damn strategy, he has, let's say, 1,000 of them picking up 5 accounts. That's 5,000 accounts. I'm being conservative. So that's 5,000 accounts in a day at $2.40, right? That's like damn near 12 grand for the day that he just made. And if you do that times 20, let's say, that's $250,000 in a month. Oh my God. There's no way. I just gave myself a headache.
You know what other thing he does differently? He streams from the morning till the end of the day.
All day long.
And
he is on from 9:30 sharp, and he gets off around 3.
And I have said to myself that if you want to do well in this area, you have to outwork your enemies. You have to outwork your.
He definitely puts the work in.
Your competition. You have to outwork.
But it's not just that he puts the work in. Again, he also trades a system that works with the current situation that he's dealing with. If things start changing, right? If they start cutting people off like that, all right, and they make it much harder to start getting those payouts that he's getting, right, that he's looking for. And let's say they restrict him. Let's say he blows too many accounts and like, hey, you know what? We're no longer going to allow you to buy any accounts. That's going to put him in a little bit of a pickle. Right? That's not going to be a situation that he's going to want to be in.
Yeah. But the thing is, he's a good affiliate, so they'll figure something out for him.
They're just not going to. They make so much money on his affiliate money because he's getting payouts, the way he gets his payouts, it doesn't mean that the rest of his people are getting payouts like that.
Of course not.
His strategy might work, but they're not following every single trade he takes.
It's working for him.
Correct. Exactly. That's what a lot of people don't understand. They think that they're going to follow, these streams. They're going to follow our streams and they're going to watch our trades. They're going to see us mark up the charts and and they're going to take the trade the way we're taking it. Doesn't work that way sometimes. Yes? Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. I'm going to shut my camera, shut my mic, and go and say goodnight to my little princess because I'm pretty sure it's right at the door.
Okay, that means it's me that's up. I've applied my strategy probably stupidly. Not probably stupidly, 100% stupidly on Sim 101. On both, for both gold and NQ. So let me change it to Sim 102 because I do want to watch it. I really like the strategy. I think it's going to do well. Let me change it to Sim 102. Edit. Where's the edit? For gold. Gold is very close to taking a trade. Come on, Mike. Move a little faster. Okay, we got it in. Gold. Sim 102. Gold's going to take a short trade. And aside from that, let's take a look at what's happening in the markets today. First off, I didn't even see what happened. Wow, what was that move there at 7:30-ish? 7:20. Wow, that was a crazy move. Let's go see what happened in the day. I'm short 45 now. Take a look at that. Okay, so we took a little bit of a moonshot in the opening. Got above the previous day's close and the previous day's high. Very bullish, but then we immediately rotated lower, got under the previous
All right,
day's
bye, guys.
high. Not very bullish. Got under, went down, formed the low for the initial balance high. And then from 10 o'clock, I'm just reviewing quickly. Went up, got about in the middle of the initial balance, traded sideways on the previous day's close. I know you guys know all this, but I don't. Then we traded up into the previous day's high. Again, traded sideways at that level. And then the real move comes in. Is that it? Then comes the real move, the up move for the rest of the day. Closed at 21,540. And now we kind of trading lower under the previous day's close or the 5 o'clock close. And we're
I'm looking
lower.
for really low targets today.
Yeah, fine. Okay. I was just thinking that I guess the easy trade here is a retest of view up and a retest of the 5 o'clock close. But we'll see. I mean, anything can happen. Gold should be long, short. Sorry, if it's coded right.
I'm not opposed to seeing even 600 before we drop. So yes, I mean short term, I can see us potentially going up, taking out some highs, which is kind of where I'm leaning right now.
Yeah.
But
Oh, I mean, I don't
overall,
know. I'm just saying that for me, that's the
no. But
obvious.
I mean, I know we're not talking about you. We're talking about me. I know.
But that's the obvious. That's the obvious trade. For me, the obvious trade right now is I'm thinking a lot of people are saying to themselves, we're gonna go back to the previous day's close. So that's a
And you're talking short term. You're talking 20, 30 points, 20, 25
yeah,
bips.
nothing. And yeah, short
Absolutely, I
term.
can
I'm
see
not
that.
talking
Yeah.
about the big move. Never talk about the big move.
No, without a doubt. Yeah. I can certainly see that. I just saw wood chip is short. I'm short both accounts. That's funded. Oh boy. Market shift. I don't mind it. This is a big wick, right? Eliminate the wick. We got a bunch of just the bodies. I like the market structure shift for sell side with the 345 candle from yesterday. Right, we closed above the 315 high. We just came back down with this 745 candle, closed below that 345 wick. So I'm not opposed to wood chip short from here. It could play out with a fast drop too. I'm just not crazy about it at 9:30 at night outside of a macro. I feel like we could consolidate a bit. Algorithm just generating liquidity, right? I don't know that it necessarily needs to be in a rush to make its move.
Sure, both accounts. Yeah, that's the thing. It's a lot later. It's different than I have to get that in my head. 9 o'clock. There's more movement at 9 o'clock than there is often at 6:30 or 7:30. Asia, I think,
Well,
is
you've got data now.
yeah,
You've got
Asia's
some.
open and who's this? This is gold. Gold is Sim 102. And I just got to change this. Whatever it'll
Potential market structure shift to the long side on the 3-minute. I almost don't mind it. I'm considering it right now. 50-50 though. No gap. We just rebalanced this last 3-minute candle. We did displace though above some swing points. So we got the low here. right? The 809 candle. Got your high. 815. Come down. 827 candle. Close below that swing low. And then we just came up and we displaced above the high with that 918 candle, right? 370, yes, the 918 candle. So this could potentially be a market structure shift to go to some slightly higher targets. Maybe actually come into that gap now. 5 minute. Let's see how convincing the 5 minute is. I mean, 5 minutes also fairly convincing right here. 1 minute 23 left on this candle. Coming in as a potential sweep of some equal highs on the 5 minute, right? This little tabletop right here, all the way from 810 to 825. It's a pretty deep pullback here with a minute left on this specific candle. So I kind of like the sweep for sell side. But this is where I don't trade, right? You guys won't catch me. You won't see me taking a trade here because we have a potential sweep to go low. We have a potential 3 minute, maybe even 5 minute market structure shift to go up. PM session lows, not really taken out. Those are much further here. And we definitely pulled up on some relatively equal lows, like really equal lows. Sitting here, that was a nice sweep towards buy side. And then we come down for a slight manipulation.
Fully built out.
This also came into this bullish breaker that we created at this level. Not on the 5 minute breakers right here. Came into this level.
Okay.
Missed them.
I'm finally set up at 9:25. I got everything that I need.
What are you drinking there?
Water with a little bit of syrup, to make it flavored with.
That their BS meters.
Oh, come on.
Oh man, I gotta start. I'm gonna get on you. You better
Flavored.
stop it with that. You better stop it with
That
that
artificial
flavored
stuff there. What do you
bullshit.
call it? You give
Yeah,
it a
man,
little
keep
cherry
that
flavor
stuff,
or
man.
fruit punch flavor. I can't drink water. I tried this morning. I barely touched it. It's got to have some flavor of something.
Futures is no good for you, man.
Uh,
I started
I'm
my.
old.
I went back to my diet like heavy.
Yeah.
No more, just water, no sugar drinks.
Well, I'll be honest with you. I told my wife today, absolutely make sure, wake me up tomorrow at 6:30, yank me out of bed by my hair, by my short hairs if you have to. I'm going to get on the elliptical. It's my first time in a while, so I'm going to do 15, 20 minutes, take my shower. By 7:38, I should be ready. Sit in front of the computers, do a little work, and start streaming. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm going on the elliptical for my first day.
Yeah, I was supposed to work out today with Crispy. He
Yeah.
worked out without me. He texted me, but I was so caught up in my stream because it's my first day back. I didn't realize it was 1 o'clock. I started late as well because I had my daughter's recital, and I went a little later than I expected. Than I planned to. So
Okay. Yeah, I did a quick
Um,
check-in, and I saw you were still streaming. I guess it was
yeah,
when I was
I
doing
went a
it.
little later than I wanted to today.
Oh, that's cool.
But it was no big deal. Not a big deal. I am getting some push-ups and primarily just a bunch of push-ups. I'm trying to do like two to 300 push-ups tonight before the end of the night. So say I actually got a little bit of a workout in.
I don't
Maybe
mean
do
to
some.
laugh at that too, but part of the process I put into place, there's punishment. And the punishment, if you don't follow exactly, is push-ups. So I got 150 I had to do today.
You did 150 push-ups.
No, I didn't. I only got as far as 25. I got to continue. I got to get him in before tomorrow because I really do
150,
want to suffer the consequences of my
150 is a lot of push-ups,
indiscretion.
but my opinion, don't make push-ups a punishment. Like right now, I want to do 50. I want to do a set of 50 right now, not because it's a punishment, because
Oh, no, no. It's a
it's a
punishment for the trading.
reward.
For the trading. Like
It's
if
a
I,
reward. Do 100 push-ups when you hit a winner.
yeah. No, I'm out of shape. For me, it's not a reward. For me, it's a struggle. It's that, or it was a 5K walk. The 5K walk, I wouldn't like because it's going to take a long time. So I put it in the process that if by next week, if I'm not doing this, if I'm not executing at 100% by next week, then I'm going to the 5K walk. So a walk, I don't know how long it takes to do 5K, but that's probably going to take me an hour, 45 minutes. I'm committed to this. I'm getting my process down.
Oh, we just got 50 in. Oh, we just did a set of 50. That felt nice.
No way.
Yeah.
I don't know. Omnius was saying I should film it. If I don't film it, it doesn't exist. I can't do more than
I'll do it on camera for you. I'm not nervous.
shit. I can't even do 8. On the eighth
To show
one,
to show my second set of 50.
on the eighth one, I'm struggling to get up.
I had to take the sweater off, man. It got so
Wow, look at you. Well, that's
no, I can probably do
yeah, that's the difference.
first set I could probably do about 100
That's the
if I
difference
really
between
if I
a
really wanted
man
to go in.
who eats well and exercises and a man who doesn't eat well and doesn't exercise.
That is the truth, though.
It is.
That is the truth. Hey, we got some people up in here. I just got back, guys. Butters stunts. My 2 cents. And we've got NASCAR all out. Do you like to trade small caps? What are small caps?
Small caps are stocks. Butter stunts. His name is Garrett. Say hello, Garrett.
No, NASCAR asked that.
Oh,
NASCAR
okay.
all out.
Yeah. Small cap stocks. I'm not sure what the definition is. That's stocks under a market cap of 5 million, 10 million. Could be 10 million, I
Okay.
think.
I don't really trade any stocks, NASCAR.
Yeah, we're trading
I
futures.
Yeah, we trade futures. Let's see what did Butters say? My 2 cents as an unprofitable trader. Higher time frame is looking bearish. Lower time frame is looking bullish. Not really sure what to make of anything right now. Dude, my sparkling water. I'm doing full carnivore. Hell yeah, baby. That's the way. The carnivore. That's what I'm on. That's all I rock. Red meat, baby. Red meat.
Yeah, we should probably try that, me and my wife.
Or other sparkling waters are awesome for just a little bit of. Yeah, that's not bad. My wife buys them sometimes. I don't really care for it. I'm not a big sparkling water kind of guy. I just do my regular water, right? Tap water. Well, filtered water.
Does it come in with flavor?
No flavor for me. But
Hardcore.
But yeah, I also do a 24-hour fast. basically once a day. I eat once a day, usually for dinner, and then twice a year, Butters, I do a 5 day water fast. I just got off one like in April, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, he did remember your name. Butters is saying, "Holy cow, he remembered my name on my on my chat." All right, so let's see what this is gonna do. So
Where can I enter? I need a chart where I can enter. I have
right
a trade.
now, do we like a long here?
Long. Really? No, short.
Shift. We had the sweep, right? We had the nice sweep of these.
Okay, let's focus and get a better
A
price.
nice sweep of these highs with this wick right here. If this pullback is fast and we can displace down below this quickly,
485, clean click.
I like a pullback up to take a short.
Okay. 6 slot. I'm short. 6 slot. Let's make some money with this one.
Right? But 1 minute, 1 minute's giving me a decent little market structure shift with a confirmation, looking to go slightly up buy side. Just came into the order block where I would want to trade off of. Take a long.
Where's my chat GPT? Ordering a coffee, Europe versus USA.
But this is 1
Where's
minute,
my
right?
website?
So it's got to be really convincing for me to want to take something off of the 1 minute. And at this level, it's really not that convincing. Although 1 minute has been showing a lot of respect down here.
No way.
So just did my first 3-day fast a few weeks ago. It's wild. Yeah, nice, man. Good job, Butters. I think you're on the right track, dude. I think you have the right idea. I feel great. I feel so good when I do it. I get hungry. I do get hungry, like especially after that first. For me, the first day is easy because I do a 24-hour fast daily. So that first day doesn't really hit me hard. But the next day, my stomach starts growling towards dinner time. Throughout the day, I'm good. But once it starts getting around like 3, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, oh man, I get hungry. Day 2, I get hungry. And then usually day 3, get a little hungry, but you kind of it's easy to fight off. And then it kind of gets easier, believe it or not, day 4 and day 5. By the time I'm on day 5 and I'm like, getting ready to break my fast, I'm almost like, you know what, let's go day 6 and 7. So, I think it's like everything, man. It takes time. Just like everything, it takes time. All right, let's get that second set in, baby. You got me going over here, futures. You got me going.
Okay, I'm watching.
Oh wait, do I got to show you guys too? We got to prove it. Is my camera gonna reach?
Wait. I gotta get mine open. I'm in a trade too. It's okay.
I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I don't know if I can get you guys an angle. I'm gonna try. Can we get something here?
I'll let you know.
We got the chair. I gotta back up all the way over here for the push-ups.
Okay. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25.
30.
Yep. I stopped counting.
40. $50. Oh, we got 60.
Maybe that's the trick. Maybe I go too slow. I go down slow. I go up slow.
We got 60. We got 60.
I'm going to try quick ones. Off camera. I'll let you know. You don't get to laugh
Making a
at me.
sweat here too. I gotta work on these guns. They're shrinking down.
Quick
Whoa,
ones.
we got futures
Oh, wait,
getting
I
ready to
don't
do
hear
some
you. I don't
push-ups.
hear you. I don't hear you. Hold on. What?
I said we got futures getting ready to do some push-ups. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah, but you're not going to get to
Alright.
see. You're not going to get to see. I'm too shy. I got to see how many I can do first.
Dude.
Hold on. Taking the glasses off. Getting serious.
Let's go. I wanna see you get that weight off, man. Why not? Let's stay healthy.
I can't do quick ones. You know why?
Take your time. Do as many as you can. Don't overdo it either.
I got no more strength in my arms. The 25 that I did today finished me. That's it. I'm done.
What'd you do? You pulled off 5
One.
right now? One? Stop it.
One.
I'm at 110 for the night.
Holy
I want to get
shit.
to 200. We'll get to 200. We'll be good for the night.
Well, no, I'm not at 1. I'm at 26 for the day.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about me. I'm not looking for you to get to 200 today. Relax. But back to trading. Nice long so far. Looks like it's
Yeah.
playing out.
That was fun. Hold on. Gotta fix your
We didn't jump
camera.
into it, but I like it, right? Based on what I like to look for.
My short's not doing good.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't expect it to be doing well
Wait.
on that pump.
My stop is 97. We're not there yet.
Ooh,
Maybe
that one got me breaking a little sweat though.
Yeah, me too.
Let me tell you, those last 10 are what got me.
I know what you're talking about. Ooh. That was pretty sad.
Also, listen, I'm not completely sold on a long here. Like I said, I see both ways, so it's very tricky. Your short might still be good. This is only a 1 minute setup that we're looking at, so I'm never convinced on a 1 minute model. Doesn't, like I said, it's very difficult to sell me on a 1 minute.
Is it possible you
5
change
minute?
the camera?
Let's
I
see.
have to make adjustments.
I mean, I kind of like it on the 5 as well, though, right? So the fact that it's also just coming to retest for the 5, I'm not completely sold on a short either. So I'd love to see a little bit more data to jump into something. But low risk, low risk long is a decent attempt.
Hey, went in my favor again. Let's get down to 1, 2, 3, 76.
Yeah, definitely, Butters. I'm on both. It doesn't make a difference where you guys type. I don't mind. I prefer. Let's put everybody on futures chat and let's all hang out there. Don't matter to me. And guys, make sure you guys use code FLOOR for everything. Code FLOOR.
Even if you go to Costco.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I think it's deal me in, Butters.
No, it doesn't work. I gotta
You broke
fix
it?
it. No, it's not broken. I changed my name to Futures Floor from Futures Floor TV.
Butters, forget it. Forget it. It's not even worth it to be in his stream anymore. Guys, Coach Fred, Butters, get out of there. Woodchip,
Everybody
just jump
run.
into my channel. Go to Joker's channel. Forget about this channel.
Yeah, it's broken. It's broken, and I don't know how to fix it. I have to get somebody. I need to get the guy that coded it for me to come by and It's probably something simple. It's just checking the channel. Just my channel name is wrong, but I don't know where it's indicating my channel name. So
I wanted to attempt it.
okay, what do we got? We got NQ there, and we have gold over there. So perfect. And
15
we
minute.
have NQ there for you to watch, and NQ for me to take a trade. Okay, we're all set up. I am short NQ. You guys don't get to see it. Why is that the case?
15-minute futures, I'd love to see one more leg down. I'd love to see another leg down to 473.
Yeah, at least take out the lows of the evening.
But because I'm long-term bearish, right? Higher time frame. Overall, I want to see the market go down. I don't know that it necessarily has to on the 15 because I don't want it to play out a 15-minute model, to be honest with you. I would much prefer that it just go up because it's already giving us the 5-minute. 5-minute is more than enough to, at the very least, take out this swing point, which is the entry, right? This is top 2022, back up, and then fails to complete, fails to come lower. So maybe 490s to up to 550.
Dinner time.
So I'm looking for a long position. If I would have taken it, probably here.
Have a good dinner, Word Chip. We'll see you as soon as you come back. And Coach Fred, I didn't even know you were in the house. Big party here.
Enjoy Wood Chip.
Yep. I kept my clothes on. You don't want me to take my clothes off.
All right, maybe something like that for this trade.
It's not a circus.
We look to target this end dog, which is that gap, right? Today's gap.
Nice, yeah, but my algo is only going to take shorts because it only takes shorts under VWAP. For now, that's the way I coded it. So I'm thinking VWAP can be a good. You're going to stop me out first trade of the evening, and I'm stopped out. That sucks.
Got you?
Got you? Got me for how much? 210. It was an ad trade.
Sim account or
no? Eval.
Eval.
Yeah, Lamburger with feta. Ooh, I don't like feta. And then it comes right back.
Lamburger with feta. You don't like feta?
No.
Get out of here.
What does it smell like when you open the container?
Feet.
Vomit.
No, not vomit. It smells like some rancid feet, perhaps.
Maybe the one we buy. It's not the good one. I don't know how anybody eats it. It's not bad if you just take the piece of cheese, you put it on a plate. I don't have to smell it when you open up the
in the water.
In the water, just as you open it up. Yeah, then it's not so bad. I like salty stuff. Joker, you still have a bunch.
Listen, man, I'm Greek, so it's really hard for me to say I don't like feta.
There you go.
Like, that doesn't even really exist in my vocabulary.
Fred wants to know if you if you still have a bunch of Bulenox masters.
Joker, you still have a bunch of Bulenox? Yeah, I've got 3 master Bulenox accounts and 8 more funded, waiting to be turned into masters. I'm still maxed out, man. I got everything that I blew back. And these Bulenox, I'm taking my time with them. I think they're at like 620 a piece, something like that, give or take. God, I'm somewhere over here. They're right here. So 593, 572, and 602. So they're just about 600 a piece. Sucks the ones that I blew were at 2,000, but we're about a third of the way back, so it's all right. Not a big deal, right? We're not focusing on payouts anymore, Coach Fred. That's where I screwed myself last month. I was on such a good pace. I was on the right track for shit, man. I could have pulled off 10 payouts last month. I did pull off 10 smaller payouts with take profit. But I could have pulled off another $10,000-$15,000 if I would have traded properly. But I got greedy. I started over trading, oversizing, started going into minis like a bozo, and it just killed me. You trade small. You needed You needed a blowing.
And blowing. Did you need blowing in the end?
I don't know. I'm trying to make out what he means by that. You needed. Oh, I ended up blowing. Yeah. I ended up blowing. Absolutely. No worries. I was trying to make it out, Fred. Yeah, dude, I blew out about 2.5 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, more, a little bit more. I blew out 3 Bulenox accounts that were at 2,000 apiece, 2 take profit accounts that were at 2,200 apiece. They were at $200 daily payouts each. If I wanted to, I could have closed them out and took 1,200 from each of them.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and just closed the accounts, right? So, I blew out those 5 accounts that were at payout, and then I blew out another 2 take profit accounts that I paid $650, and I directly funded, straight to funded. I reset funded accounts like a bozo because I was on tilt, heavy tilt. So I blew 2 more of those accounts, and then I also reset 3 Bulenox accounts and blew 3 more Bulenox accounts. So that day I blew out 3, 6, 8. I blew out 10 accounts. Funded accounts. It's always a lesson. It's always a lesson, Fred. Right? It's always a lesson, Coach Fred. And that lesson is don't stray from your game plan, right? And I don't care what it is. If your game plan is to trade minis and that's how you roll, and you trade that way on a regular basis, by all means, continue doing what you're doing. Someone like me, who daily trades, 2 micros, 3 micros, 5 at like max, and that's like on 150 or 300K account. The second you see me going in with more than 5 micros, anybody in my stream watching me ever call me out on it. Like, yo, Joker, what are you doing, dude? And I'll downsize immediately or close the trade, right? Because that's more than likely me going into some type of mental block and borderline gonna hit some type of a tilt session. So obviously I don't plan on doing that. Nobody plans on doing that, but it does, like you said, it happens to the best of us, man. Tilt for me often starts with dude, it's always starting with a user error. It's always gonna be you missing a move,
Yep,
chasing a move, getting top ticked or getting missed by a tick or two, and then you don't close and you're sitting there waiting for it to come back to you, and all of a sudden it pulls back and pulls back and it pulls back, puts you in the red. How many times that's happened to me, right? And then you get stopped out and you're like, oh my God, I was $200 in the green. I was $5 away from TP, couldn't close it. It came back and stopped me out for 200. Oh, now I'm negative 400, 200 for my from the green with the stupid trailing drawdown, plus the 200 I lost. Now I'm negative 400 for the day. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go and I'm going to overtrade. I'm going to go and over leverage, and I'm going to try to get my 400 back. And that 400 is going to turn into 600. That 600 is going to turn into 1,000. And then once in a blue moon, you're going to get lucky and you get it back. And then when you get it back, you're not even taking a proper trade. Like, you're just barely getting it back and you're sitting there closing out positions at a break even. You're like, oof, yes, I did it. What a good trade. I'm break even now.
But
so,
Coach Fred, doing it with 10 minis, that's absolutely super not sustainable. Especially depending on what size account you're talking about. But even if it's the larger accounts, but if it's the 50K accounts, forget it. That's just pure gambling. And
on 5 points.
It's going to be very hard to get anything done with.
I've done it. Fred, I've done it too. He's not saying that he's in with 10 minis. He's just saying that he's blown accounts, with 10 minis.
Yeah, no,
and it doesn't take much.
It's 15 points. If it's the 50K account.
I was so pissed Friday. I was a few bucks away from passing a Tradeify eval, and instead of closing the trade, I added minis by mistake. Drove me nuts. Wow, yeah, I've done that too, man. Give me a sec, guys. I got my wife calling. Let me. Hopefully, it's not an important call.
Yeah, I'm working quite hard on sizing. And to be honest with you, with the for the way I trade, I mean everybody trades differently, so the sizing is going to depend on your screen's half open, half closed, Joker. Just in case you want to know, if you can still hear me. I guess he didn't. I guess he didn't hear me. I would just come out naked. You know what? I could remove the camera from my stream. Why is it not removing the camera? Oh yeah, there we go. It is removing the camera. Joker, your blind is half open. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, with the way I trade, my stats, I ran it and tested it. Aggressive is 1 mini on a 50K account, and normal conservative 3 to 5 micros. There we go. He heard me. There we go. He heard me. He turned the blind down.
That was no big deal.
I was worried you thought it was down. You come out naked after the bathroom, change your pants.
No, I didn't go to the bathroom, man. I just went to the back room over there.
Yeah.
No, but that was the wife giving me the 15-minute notice.
Yeah. But what you're saying there, Coach Fred, yeah, it also depends on what you know, you're saying you trade normal most of the time. I try to trade normal most of the time too, and sometimes I allocate an account or 2 accounts, especially when there's the 90 and 91% off sales. I'll get some accounts and I'll say I'm going for it. And I won't trade 5 micros. I'll trade 2, 3, 4 minis, because that account I assigned to trading aggressively, and it's an eval, and I want to try and pass it in a day or 2 days.
Man, when I'm trading evals, with the exception of the take profit accounts, right? And the reason I say that is because the take profit accounts are expensive, guys, right? Like for me to pick up the 150K take profit evals that I'm trading currently, that was $240 a piece for an eval.
Yeah.
Granted, there's no activation fee, but that was $240 a piece for an eval.
That's a lot. Well, I can turn your camera back on.
Yeah, I will in a second.
No, me. I turned you off also.
So they're expensive. It's like you're trading a funded account, in my opinion. And I got to get to 9,000. Is it worth it for take profit to get 150K accounts? I want to say no. Right? Because you get those day one payouts. I think the 50K accounts are more than enough. To fund a 50K account only requires $3,000. Getting $9,000 is a pain in the ass. All right, that's the reality. It's a pain in the nuts.
What can you do with the 150K account that you cannot do with the 50K account?
Trade a little bit more comfortable because you have a way better drawdown.
Trade smaller, get to your 1-to-1 profit target, not a 3-to-1 profit target or a 2-to-1 profit target, so you get there faster. Then you do another 1-to-1 profit target, and that's money that they're going to pay you with. And then scale and start trading larger size, just like you're a 150K account. And you invested less, and on the second 3,000, you were able to at least take money out of that, as opposed to having to make 6,000 just to pass the evaluation. I don't get, honestly, guys. I don't get the big accounts anymore. I think that's wasted money.
They're not worth it. They're not. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm over
wasted
here sitting
money
at, like, futures. I'm sitting at 6,200 on each of my 150K accounts trading properly right now, right? If those were 50K accounts, they would be passed and sitting in $1,000 of profit that I would have pulled out right now on each of them.
No, seriously. I was talking to a guy today, fishing Florida, Mario, and it's exactly what I said to him. There's no reason to go for the higher accounts anymore. I've thought about it left, right, and center. All you get is a bigger drawdown and more contracts. Okay, I got the bigger drawdown. Big deal. It's double. But you got to make
I don't trade big anyway. So
that's it. And you got to make 3 times as much to pass.
Yep. And then you got to make just as much just to just to get it to threshold for a payout.
There
right?
you go. So you're killing yourself.
So-
And you got to realize one other thing. If they give you $5,000 drawdown and you have to make $15,000, I don't care if they call it a $500,000 account. You have $5,000 drawdown. That's a $5,000 account. If you have to make $15,000, you have to make 300%. That's what you have to make because you have $5,000 to lose. You don't have
Well, no,
150.
that's not. You know, that's not where you are for payout. I think for payout, it's so for the 150K, you have a $5,000 drawdown, and you got to get to 6,000 to get 2,000 to take out 2,000 or.
Oh, you're
or
talking take profit trader.
No, I'm talking Apex.
Apex? No, the 150K, it's 5,000 and 9. You have to make 9,000 just to
No,
pass.
5,000. No, 5 to pass. I'm talking about once it's passed and you're looking for a payout.
Yeah, then you
For a
got to make
payout,
5,000.
You got to make 5,000. You can pull 500, but for me, I would make 6,000 to try to pull 1,500.
Okay, so
Right?
how much
Or-
is 6,000 plus 9,000? It's 15,000.
Yes,
You
that I
have to
understand.
make
Yeah.
300% to get a payout. But now if you go to the 50K account, you only have to make 3,000 plus 3,000.
Correct.
You only have to make
Correct.
200%,
Correct.
making the job a little easier for yourself. That's what I think.
No, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right. But
And you're paying less. And if you don't take out, then you can scale and get
Listen, let me
larger
tell
and
you- let me-
start
let me
taking
tell you
2
something.
contracts, 3 contracts, 4 contracts, start making
let me
some
just
more money.
interject one comment. I have one singular 300K account. I passed that account one shot
Wow.
with 37 minis, 35 minis. I don't remember whatever the maximum is that you're able to have on a 300K account. I took it on one of those massive moves. It was at a perfect timing. I jumped in the momentum of the move, maxed out, TP at 20K, 20,100, and I TP'd. It moved so fast that my TP was at like 20,100, and I closed out at like 20,700 or something. Like
Okay.
it gave me some slippage, right?
Yeah.
But the point is, I passed the account, and I have one singular 300K account that I'm trading, right? And then I
Okay, you
gotta
still have
read
it.
what- I want to read what. Oh, absolutely. I want to read what Coach Fred said. That 300K account is at 5,100, right? It's only a couple of grand away from a payout. But for me, to get
Oh,
it,
yeah, you got to get it to 7,000 only, I think. Yeah, you're right.
correct, 7,500. So in order for me to get a payout, I got to get to 7,500, but I got to get to like 9,000 to get a good payout, right?
Yeah.
Which is where I'm going. But the good thing is that because I have a $7,500 drawdown, it was much easier for me to trade that account with the 10 minis, 10 micros, 5 to 10 micros, because I have a $7,500
and properly
drawdown
without
it was
feeling
much easier for me
any type of real
to trade
drawdown.
that account,
right? Because I took a
with
couple of losses on that account.
10 minis,
early
10
on.
micros,
Mhm.
5 to 10
But
micros.
it didn't phase me.
minus
And
200,
properly,
minus 150,
without
minus
feeling
300.
any
That
type
account
of
was at like
real
6,900 drawdown
Right,
at one
'cause I
point.
took
I
a
was like,
couple of losses on that
wow,
account
I just took
early
loss.
But it
Pretty
didn't phase
decent
me.
losses.
Minus 200,
And I still have almost
minus
7,000 in
150,
drawdown.
minus 300.
All right,
That
that's
account
not
was
that
at like
bad.
6,900
Yeah.
drawdown at one point. I was
That
like, wow,
is a
I
good
just took
feeling,
loss,
right? So when you
loss.
actually
Pretty
have
decent
some extra
losses.
drawdown
And I still
futures,
have
it
almost
does help
7,000 in drawdown.
the mental
right,
game,
that's not that
right?
bad.
Behind the trading.
Yeah.
That
So
is a
I
good
do
feeling,
like my
right?
150s
So when
and
you
I do like the
actually
300K
have some
account.
extra
But it's a
drawdown
pain in the
futures,
ass to get there, and I don't
does
know that
help.
it's necessarily worth it.
The mental.
Now,
the
Coach
mental
Fred
game,
said, I
right,
hear you
behind the
that
trading.
I don't copy trade.
So I do
So
like my
some
150s
accounts
and I
get
do like
more
the
aggressive
300K.
trades as well.
But it's
right?
a pain in the ass
I
to
feel
get
you on
there, and I
that.
don't know that it's necessarily
Last
worth it.
week I got
Now,
4
Coach Fred
daily
said, I hear you
payouts back to
I don't
back
copy trade.
on a 25K
accounts
TPT.
get
Heck
more
yeah,
aggressive
Coach Fred.
Let's
fire,
go
dude.
gold.
Right? I feel you on that.
The more drawdown,
Last
the
week
more
I got
risk I
4
take.
daily
I
payouts
don't need to
back
add risk
back
to my trading. Yeah,
on a
Fred, I don't
25K
disagree with you there either
TPT.
though,
Heck
right?
yeah, Coach Fred,
And back to
fire,
the,
dude.
you know, the good
The
the
more
good parts
drawdown, the
about
more
having those
risk
bigger
I
accounts,
take.
and then there's the
I
negative
don't
parts
need
to it,
to
right?
add
The negative
risk to
points
my trading.
that we
Yeah,
got to pay
Fred,
attention
I
to.
don't disagree with you there either though, right? And back to the, you know, the good parts about having those bigger accounts, and then there's the negative.
This is
parts
such
to it,
shit
right?
price
Negative
action,
points.
by the way, right
It
here.
is. It's not going anywhere. NQ's completely dead.
I've got no desire to be in this trade. I like it, right?
This is
Both
such shit
ways,
price
kind
action,
of.
by the way, right
Hey,
here.
whoa, wait,
I-
whoa, 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 whoa. What you saying there?
I've got no
Um,
desire to be in this trade.
But I do like the short and the long.
I
right?
like
the
it,
way the way it
right?
looks here.
Both ways,
Just, there's
kind
no
of.
nothing convincing.
Hey,
here.
whoa,
There's
whoa,
nothing
whoa,
convincing.
Whoa, 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 watch what you're saying there.
But I do
5
like the
minute,
short and the long.
15
Right? The
minute
way
is
it,
just
the way
what,
it looks
12
here.
minutes left. How did that
There's
last
no,
one
nothing
close?
convincing here. There's nothing convincing.
15-minute inside bar. 5 minute, 15 minute.
Body's
is just
closing
what,
out
12
sell
minutes left.
side.
How did that last one close?
We got a sell side breakout of this inside bar.
15-minute inside
So
bar.
I don't know. Again, even though it's a breakout,
Body's
sell side
closing out
breakout.
Sell side.
Do we short this?
We
Right?
got a
Is this
sell side
actually going to come
breakout
down
of
now?
This inside bar.
Maybe for some
So, I don't know.
manipulation.
Again,
Probably would have
even
stopped
though
out
it's a-
there. Let
it's
me
a
get rid of this just
breakout,
because
sell
it's
side
annoying every
breakout.
time I hover
Do we
over
short
it.
this, right? Is
pops
this
up
actually
that
going to come
bullshit.
down now? Maybe for some manipulation. Probably would have stopped out there. Let me get rid of this just because it's annoying. Every time I hover over it, it pops up that bullshit.
Okay.
This looks like a decent sell model here.
I went short. Let's see if I can get
Small
10 points
buy
out of
model
this.
Here. This is just still not convincing to me.
We don't get
Decent
stuck.
Sell model here.
We don't get stuck in the mud like we did last time at this level. Oof. Joker, you need to raise my volume on your stream a little bit. I don't think it's even coming out. It's barely. We did last time at this level.
Really?
Yeah, I just turned it on and.
What about now? Check it now.
Volume on your stream a little bit. I don't think it's even coming out. Check it out now.
You're not coming.
Barely.
Really?
Yeah, I just turned it on and. Actually, I think
What
you're
about
very
now?
quiet
Check it
too.
now.
Testing.
Testing. I didn't hear anything there. Try it again.
Testing.
Testing.
So I did hear it. You're coming in much lower than I am. You're coming in much lower than I am.
No, you're not coming out at all on mine. Okay, this is what I mean. No, on your stream. I'm on yours. This is what I mean. No, on your stream. I'm on your stream.
I'm on my stream. I can hear myself.
your stream. I don't hear
I'm
you.
on my stream. I can hear myself.
I don't hear you. Hold on, let's try it again. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, you say 4, 5. Hold on, let's try it again. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, you say 4, 5. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Okay, I heard you now. Okay, I heard you. Yeah, okay, so now. Okay.
And I put you up, so now you might even be coming in louder than me. And I put you up, so now you might even be coming in louder than me.
Okay, I'll talk quieter. Except if I have something funny to say.
Put you up a little bit more.
If I have something funny to say.
Put you up a little bit more.
Okay, I want to have a winning trade on this stupid trade. I rotated accounts.
All right, I'm going in for set number 3, guys. Going in for set number 3, guys. Going in for set number 3. Let's get it.
Okay, fuck off. I can't be such a girl. I'm gone. Let's see what I get. I'm gonna do my best. I'll be back. No grunting.
Man, the fatigue started kicking in on 40 on that one. Baby. Woo. Baby.
I'm still alive.
That was rough.
Opened up my appetite. It's true. I have a trade open.
I'm doing push-ups and futures is eating.
No,
Push-ups
I
and
did.
futures is eating.
No, I did. Did you beat me? How many did you do?
50.
Did you beat me? How many did you do? Oh, I came so close. I got 7. Oh, I came so close. I got 7.
It's a good 7, man.
So close.
It's a good 7, man. You're not gonna start at 50 G's. You're not gonna start at 50 G's. Right? Dead long. See if the body holds
dead
here.
long.
Okay, now I got to close your volume on your stream because I'm getting an echo. Good job, the push-ups. Yeah, I like it. We trade and we do push-ups. So 7, 8, 25. I'm at 33 for the day. I'm nowhere near my 150.
What'd I do? I did 50, 60, and 50. So I'm at 160 right now.
Mm.
Do one more set, I'll be all right for the night.
Well, you do weights. You do bench presses. Like, why are you?
No weights.
I
Never.
don't know.
Never. I don't touch weights.
Pull-ups with a bar.
Pull-ups, yeah. Got a
Yeah.
pull-up bar here, and I have 2 pull-up bars in the house.
Okay.
Pull-ups, a lot of calisthenics, and a lot of boxing.
Yeah. I bet the boxing is fun.
It's nice. I have a whole boxing gym inside, minus the ring, right? Speed bag, heavy bag, reflex bag. So I do a lot of that for cardio. Hey, what's up, Raider?
Raider.
Not bad. Not bad. I'm up a little $100 on an eval. I haven't really taken any trades here.
Whoa, Coach Fred. Message deleted by. What are you doing?
What happened?
I don't know. Woodchip just deleted all of Coach Fred's messages.
What? Why? Why would what?
I don't know. I think he made a mistake. Maybe he did a global.
No, I think he's mad. I think he's mad at Fred. I think Fred timed him out on another server. So now Woodchip is holding a grudge.
Yeah. What does that mean? Timed him out.
No, I think he accidentally what's it called when you couldn't type in the chat for 24 hours or something. I think don't quote me on this.
Hey guys.
I'm not. Oh what? Man, can Coach Fred not speak now? Did he just time him out?
He might have. Yeah,
No.
Coach Fred, go into
Joker.
Go into Joker's room. Okay, and
I think you might have chat banned him. That's right, Raider.
Children, keep your baby fighting out of the stream.
Seriously.
Otherwise, you lose privileges.
We were over here chatting with Fred, and now we can't chat with Fred.
And what's your push-ups?
100 push-ups, Woodchip.
Or if you're like me, 8. Liquid Raider, I need a sub for today. Come on over to my channel and give me a sub. That's it. What do they call? What do they call that? Something.
Why are you poaching my?
No.
Why are you poaching my viewers?
No. Just give me a sub and go right back.
This guy's poaching my viewers, guys.
A selfless.
Oh wait. He's my co-streamer. I guess you're supposed to do that.
That's what we call it. A shameless plug. I did a shameless plug. I didn't get anything today. I need something. Someone make me happy.
Yeah, I didn't take anything either, and I'm gonna have to call it. I don't know if you're gonna hang out a little longer. You don't have to call it yet, right? Because I can always just.
You're going already?
It's. I promised my wife, man. She's waiting for me. She, like I said, she gave me the 15-minute, 15-minute warning about
Okay.
25 minutes ago. So
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, I'll stick around maybe a little bit more. I got
yeah,
nothing to do.
exactly. Hang out with the guys,
See.
right? Raider, jump in, hang out with Futures Floor for a bit. But I'm gonna call it here, guys. No trades for me tonight, right? I think this is gonna get a little sluggish. Ultimately, just a quick, what we're looking for. I'd like to see lower prices today. 15-minute is looking like it could potentially give us a nice close below these swing points. I'm still not opposed to a long, right? Just a small pullback here, depending on how price action reacts. But if we can get a close on the 15-minute without a big displacement, right? Just like right around where we're sitting right here, I can expect at that point some type of a pullback. Not taking out this low quite yet. So if we can hold these bodies, a minute 51, right? Maybe get a close, no wicks, right? Look at line graph. If we can get a close below this, but without a massive move, I want to see it kind of stay sluggish over here, and then I want to see a reaction to pull its way back up. So if we can get a pull back up after a hold, which we've got a minute 28. On the 5-minute, we already got the close we're looking for. So 5 minutes giving us a decent confirmation. 15-minute needs about a minute 18. So if 15-minute can close here, and then we can get an immediate rebalance on the next 15-minute candle up, right? An immediate rebalance up on the next 15-minute candle. Maybe get some sluggish action here. Give us some type of a confirmation like this. Low, a high. Close below again, another displacement up here, start making its way for these highs, something like this. I'll look for a pullback, potentially taking a long here, target local highs, right? In this case, not too much further than this, right? Maybe this order block. I don't know that I'd be looking for much more than the 530s, right? So maybe like a 50, 60 point move here. And then from there, I want to see how price reacts here. Are we going to take out the high? Is it looking to kind of, give us a sell model a little deeper on a higher time frame? But I'm going to pay attention to what this move does, right? If we even get this move. And then in the end, right, at some point today, I'd like to see, let's say we come here or we take out the high slightly, right? Maybe it's an optimal trade entry here. I'd like to close below consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, right? So that would be about the 50%. So I'd like to see a close right around where we're sitting here, below this level. And then potentially seeing some lower targets for tomorrow. With a potential big move, right? Maybe something like this. Turn a little sluggish up here, come back up for a retest, maybe a massive move down, right? Something along these lines. Right? Obviously, there's no precision here, guys. We got to see how price action wants to play out. But that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. And that's all going to depend on how right now plays. Because if let me see the top side over here. Boom, we got a high, we got a low, right? We got our close above, and now we got our close below. So this is a good entry. This is a good entry. We could potentially see those shorts that we were talking about, right? To start taking out some lows here. And then retest this level, right?
Wait a minute. You were making fun of my shorts at 21, 20, at 9:30.
I just said that a man of your age and your status shouldn't be wearing cut off Daisy Dukes. I just don't think that that's appropriate. But we're talking about shorts in the market here. We're not talking about the pants you want to wear, right? That's
I'm talking about
unacceptable.
shorts. I was short at 9:33. Of course, I lost, but
Yeah, you got stopped out.
I did.
Super tight, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, I saw both ways here, and that's why I wasn't really looking to get into the trade, right? If I'm seeing both sides, it doesn't really interest me. 15-minute again. You have to remember, we got to eliminate these wicks, guys, right? If you're looking at this wick, it's gonna give you completely different data. But if you eliminate the wick, now we have a market structure shift, even on a 15-minute, right? You got your swing high, you got your swing low, you got your close above, you got your close below. You got that over here too. You got another entry right in here. Swing low, swing high, swing low, close above, right? Close below. So breaker, 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 right? So you just turned this whole section into a bunch of bearish breakers. And then we go back to the wicks, right? You see that we're tapping into the wicks of these breakers. So it's playing. It's a, price action's tricky. But it's a nice short. And for someone that's looking for much lower targets overall, right? It's really hard for me to take a long, no matter what kind of model's coming in there. Because I'm really, really short bias, right? Even if I was seeing a long, like I said, I wasn't looking for more than 518, 530, right? Just a small pullback, which doesn't mean we're not going to get. We could still get at any moment here, right? Because right now we're also reacting off of bullish breakers, right? That we created on the way up, right? So we've got nothing here, but I like this one here that we're just now tapping into, let's say, right? We tapped into it here, but this section here looks really nice because here we just closed above it, right? This wasn't a tap into it. This was the confirmation. This potentially tap in, no highs, retest. See the candles.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, I like this. I like this area right here. All right, so we got to be careful. We just got to be careful at these levels and see how price action reacts. But guys, I'm gonna call it here. Peace out from the Joker trades. I'm gonna leave you guys with futures floor. Sorry, I got to cut out a little early today, but I promised the wife that I would watch a show with her, and she hasn't called again, so I already know what's gonna happen when I do get the call. So I'd like to maybe try to show up.
Yeah, try to avoid the call. Okay.
Yeah, try to show up before the call comes in.
Take care. Joker streams 9:25. I think he starts in the morning.
9:25. I'll see you guys in the morning, and hopefully for another PM stream tomorrow. I think I should be good to go.
Okay, I should be too. Also, you got a deal.
Awesome.
We're on.
Good night, guys.
Okay, take care. Joker. And close and close. Okay, so what do we got here? We are looking for... I need another setup on NQ short, and in the meantime, gold. We can track gold. The algorithm is going to take a trade in gold, and I just need to change one chart. This one here, I want to put up template, save as, NQ, MNQ daily. MNQ, is that right? No, it's a Renko. Easy Renko. Okay, we call it Renko MNQ. Yep, good night. Take care. MNQ, M, NQ, Renko, save. Let's apply those changes here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do something. I'm curious. I want to see this with this AMX. I think this is a good... I think this is a good setting for the charts. We're going to try it. Boom, boom, 2. Seriously? Data. Series. Brick size. 32. Okay, looks good. So once again, we are focusing on shorts on NQ, longs on gold. Gold, why did gold not take the trade? That's funny. Is there an error? Let me go check my positions. Gold is supposed to be in a trade. MGC, 10 Renko. Well, let's find something out. Edit strategy. Synchronize. 6:46 p.m. Okay. Synchronize. Nope. Nope. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's using the VWAP as the filter. Not these lines over here, which I want to try and start using. Maybe a combination of the two. I always like these lines. They're pretty responsive. They're pretty responsive lines. So since you're not going to take the trade, let me take it for a lot. It's a very tight trade. 1 bar down, and I'm out. Look at that, $52, very quick. Let me take a piece of that. Now it's only 36, 48, 44. Hopefully it takes another spurt. Goes up to, no, wrong way, you bugger. I wanted a piece of that 52. Wasn't ready. And Q doesn't have anything for me. Gold's hanging on. That's going to be sad if it stopped me out. Anyways, I'm only risking 1 bar to make 2 bars. Not even 1 bar, to be honest with you. Less than 1 bar. But you know what? I don't like the fact that it shot up and then came right back down. So I'm going to lower my risk on this if it gives me the opportunity. What does that mean? It means I want it to go a little bit in my favor. No, look at that. Now I got to get rid of the whole trade. There we go. Okay, that one sucked. That's too bad, because when I was up 52, I would have taken a piece. So it would have been a break-even trade. Let's get a little music going. Woodchip disappeared after he did his malicious disarming of Coach Fred. He's laughing. He's laughing. You need permission to do a global wipeout like that. Music, Lo-Fi 2. Do I want Lo-Fi 2? Yeah, Lo-Fi 2 is good. Let's get it going. Woo, this is relaxing. I'm ready to take a bath. Oh, camera moved. I didn't even realize. Coach Fred got it. Coach Fred isn't supposed to get it. I have no beef with Coach Fred. You guys have to take your stuff out in the parking lot. How do I adjust my camera? Someone tell me. Unlock. Mike. Oh, really? I'm going to do that and then the camera's going to be all fucked up again. Maybe Joker's camera. Yeah, Joker's camera works. Without making any adjustments, close mine and just wiggle my monitor a little bit. There you go. Now I'm in Joker space. Ah, he's back! I love you, Woodchip. Okay, children, stop fighting. Let's take trades and make money here. Who's emailing me or texting me? Sorry for the other day. I'm wondering if I got played. Woodchip, is that why you asked to be moderator again? Did you play me? It's all good. It's all good. Facebook, 10K views. The impact of skipping siesta on your heart. Really? Ordering a coffee versus... Let's see if I play this. I'm curious if I play this, if I'm going to get a copyright strike. Why do I not hear anything? Looks like I'm on mute. Is there some magical sound button?
Olive oil. Hello.
Hello, can I have a coffee, please?
I'm still watching, by the way.
Excuse me? Do you have a bigger size?
You want a double?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Do you have sugar?
It's not healthy for you.
Oh, I appreciate it, but still, can I have some sugar? Do you have milk?
Yes.
Can I have some milk, please?
What the fuck is that?
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Hey there, darling.
Hi.
My name is Ashley. Welcome to Star Spangled Coffee Bros. How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
What can I get started for you?
Yeah, can I have a coffee, please?
Yeah, do you want a mochaccino, frappuccino, flat white, nitro, cold brew?
I'll just have a regular coffee,
A
please.
lot of options. Hot ice. What size do you want?
Hold
on, let me show you, let me show you.
Okay,
Hold on.
yeah.
So, I got the small one.
This is small?
This is small.
Okay, and
Okay,
you got a larger one?
small.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this is small.
Let me show you the big
What's the
one.
large look like?
This is the hefty, defty one.
Oh.
It's a garbage can.
The small
Go
is
big or
fine.
go home, baby.
Small is okay. I promise.
All right. Next time. You want hot or not?
I guess I'll try the iced.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good choice. All right, sweetie pie.
Anything in gold,
We got your
my
ice.
trade in gold
wow.
is going
You
to
got
be
your
a short.
coffee. You look like a sweet man. You want some sugar?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm gonna go get it for you, okay? Darling, I got 20 packets for you. Is this enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
You sure?
Yes, thank
Okay. I'm gonna go get the milk now.
you. Okay, please.
No, hold your horses. All right, we're gonna put some good stuff in here. Some caramel syrup. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna top it off with some more caramel sauce with a little cherry on top. All right. Hold up.
Oh,
I gotta get your straw.
oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, darling. Enjoy. All right. All right, darling. It's gonna be $9.99 plus tax, and you can tip on the tablet. All right.
Oh,
Have a great day.
That was entertaining. And it looked like a good coffee, to be honest with you. Oh, wow, that was a coffee. What did that coffee have? Sugar, cream, caramel syrup, whipped cream, caramel syrup, chocolate shavings, and a cherry. I wanted one. What was crazy? The fact that you banned Coach Fred. You banned Woodchip for a long time because it was a butt dial or a butt pressing, or you're talking about the coffee thing. Well, that was a pretty decent fall. I really didn't. I didn't really get much out of that. Exactly. I have no idea. I said both of them. NQ, I gotta change the color of NQ here. Okay. Let's go. Let's change the color to white. Lavender blush is close to white. In pine tree, yeah. Oh. Almost dropped all my mice. Where's my clicker? Still waiting for a trade. Nothing doing. Even though it's moving. Nothing doing. Oops. nothing doing, no setups, just chatting. Some lame stuff I said on Pine Tree Stream. Hey, I'm long here with a data stop, and target, and then Fred says Sabo wood chip guarantee. Then 30 seconds I get banned for a whole day. I didn't even know Coach Fred had that power on. What if I made Coach Fred a moderator also? Can you guys fight it out that way in one channel? If you're both a moderator? Let's find out. I don't even know if I can do it on the fly, but nothing's going on. The next trade that I am anywhere near getting is a long in gold. Sorry, a short in gold. I keep saying a long in gold, which is not accurate. Hey! He never showed up, though, that guy. The new guy, whatever his name is. There's only one problem with trying to add Coach Fred. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 Coach Freds, but there's only one. Take care, Joker. There's only one with the letter C. Coach Fred minus topic. Is that who you are? Are you Coach Fred topic? Go to channel. Coach Fred. And he's Fred NL9 4PU. Ah, okay, yeah, there we go. You're not Coach Fred. Coach Fred is just your name. Nope, no matching users. Oh, no, it was just for the fun of it. Okay. It was just for today to see what happens. Oh, cancel. Discard changes. Discard. Okay. Ding. Sim 101. Hold on a second. There we go. My mic is back on. I was having a problem. Bangers on gold. Yeah, that was a good trade on gold. Now I just want to get a good trade on NQ. Let's get a little bit of a flush. The algo is short a 10 lot. I'm short a 5 lot. I got 5 points on mine. The algo has 3 points. I got a better price. I'm thirsty. This water thing isn't doing it for me. Let's go. Somebody dump. But more importantly, NQ. Thank you. Slam it down, baby. The NQ chart that has me short is this one here. Let me change to Sim 101. There, that's the short on NQ. Oh my God, yeah, I can't counter trend. It's a disaster for me. You can only be right one time. You lose, you're right. Then on the way up, you're trying to catch the top. You're wrong. Oh, this time it's not turning. You're wrong until the end of the day. How many times are you going to try? Nah. It's much easier to trend trade, especially if you can limit your risk. Find entries that limit your risk. Okay, well that's the NQ trade, but it's on 2 charts. We're going to go back to the gold chart. This way you can watch the gold trade. I got to just change the account because it's on Sim 102. Oh, the gold's out already. But we'll still watch the gold trade. Sim 102 is not doing too well, but I don't know. I think there was a couple of errors in the setup of on which accounts I had it on. I was making a lot of mistakes. Gold should be going short again. That's it right there. And it will add one time. The first trade is a 2 for 2. It's going to go for 2 bars on the Renko, and it's risking 2 bars. If it adds, the second trade risks 1 bar and goes for 2 bars. So the second trade is a better trade. Actually, I should probably code it to just take that second trade because it's only 1 bar risk. I shouldn't be greedy, but the problem is a lot of times it goes for 1 bar and then reverses, 1 bar and then reverses. NQ's not going anywhere. Hopefully gold will go down. Let's see what gold will bring if it goes. $200, $300 at the size over here. Not sure. It's $100 a point. 92.4. It's going to get out. No, it's going to get out and 140. Should be only $140. Yeah. And it's risking 100 and... yeah, I don't have a time chart. I should put up I had a 1-minute time chart on gold. No, don't stop me out. We don't want another loser. Bugger. Let me get up a time chart. This could be good enough. Duplicate new tab. Move it all the way back here. Change it to 1 minute. Maybe 5 minutes. It'll be easier to see. Ugly friggin' colors. Well, yeah, it's an algo. It trades on its own. Sim 102 is trading on its own, and Sim 101 is trading on its own. Both of them are trading the same algo. One of them is doing it on NQ. The other one is doing it on gold. I'm surprised it's getting its shit kicked in gold, to be honest with you. Like I said, I think I had a couple of errors. I think I put it on the chart wrong, and anyways, whatever. I ran it also this afternoon or this morning on my live stream in the morning, just on NQ. It did good. It got up to $700 profit, and then it traded lower a little bit. And I think it closed at either $189, $289, or $389. I really don't remember. These are ugly colors. We got to fix these colors, so let's use these colors. Templates, save as, broad, 1 minute, 5 minute. I need a daily, MNQ daily. How about a gold daily? MNQ daily, let's call this 1, 2, 3. Gold daily, save. Now that's the gold daily. We come here, templates, load. Go here, gold daily. Anybody see it? There it is. Load. The colors would be better. Switch to, yeah, there we go, 5 minute. Data series. Let's see the trading hour break line should be in black. And a little thicker so we actually see it. There we go. So what did we got so far? Yeah, we've been trading lower, but we got over 3,400, eh? Interesting. Traded below 3,400. We're under the 50. 50 is under the 100. We're actually under the 50, the 100, and the 200 moving average, with the 50 under the 100. So we could be making a move lower now. Oh, do I have an NQ trade somewhere that I don't even know about that I forgot? Yes, I do. Okay, it's time to get out of it. I completely forgot about that trade. Let's see what I make. I think I'm going to make $67 if I get out of it. That way. I'm bidding just a little bit under. Oh, it's going in the wrong direction. It's close. I'm still in the trade. Now I'm only up $13. This is going to be the kind of day it is. Oh, wait. Now it says 65. Okay. Took me out $65. Already, gents. GC flush is too steep. Play wise tomorrow. I will play wise. I want to play wise every day. So, I don't want to focus here. Let me see. We took a look at the gold chart, 3 minute, but 5 minute. Don't want to stay on that. This is the 3 minute chart. Oh, the 3 minute chart. We're getting long signals here, right? We actually are getting long signals, sort of. We're below VWAP though, but we are getting long signals. 1 minute chart. Well, we'll see what happens. I'm not in a trade. I took my $65 out on that short that I forgot I had. Let's just change this to white. It's a nicer color. It's more contrasty. It'll show up better. But let's get on the 1 minute chart. Okay, I'm going to try something with gold again. On which account? Let's go with the account that lost money. I'm going to take a 4 lot. See what happens. I'm going to say that if we got above the ADMX lines, we're going to rally a little bit, maybe to VWAP. Let's see if I'm right, but I don't want to show trend colors. No trend colors on the ADMX lines. There we go. They're both blue. Okay. Not a bad price. 4 is a small position. Maybe I can make back some of my losses. Even 100 would be not bad. I'm down 213. You make back 100. That's a 50% recovery. I wish I had a better price, so I would have liked 3397. $60, $70, $70. Let's take a 2-lot out at 80. So we locked in $40. And let's see if we can get $60, $70 out of this last 2-piece. You have 2-piece? Nope. Wow, we are really stuck in the mud with NQ, eh? Not surprising. 3.88 for the range of the 1-minute candles. 3 points, that's nothing. Sorry about the noise my water bottle makes. My wife bought me a water bottle and it's a noisy one. It's like there's a hole in the straw. Let's go gold. Come on, you can get over 3,400 and shoot the 3,403, 3,405. If it trades lower and then trades higher again, I think I'll add. I don't have really risk on this trade, so I think I'll try and add to this trade. I checked. The trade made money today. Ouch. Hey, my gold's going down. Go hard, get in profit, move stop in the money. What are you talking about? I'm almost break even on my NQs and my gold is going down. No! Gold down. I made 40. I think I was up 80. I'll add a 2-lot in the gold. Over here, buy lot. Buy limit. That's my buy limit. I'll add a 2-lot over there. We'll see what it does. Hopefully it fills me and then rockets up to 3,400. That would be a good day. I'm in a good evening trade. And NQ is just doing nothing. You must be doing push-ups right now. Nope. I'm right here. No more push-ups. What did I say? I'm at 33, eh? Shit, I'm supposed to get up to 150. I didn't get there. My arms are going to be shaking tomorrow. No. 150 minus 33 is not 125. It's 117. I'll be disappointed if I don't get it done by tomorrow before I start streaming. I'll be disappointed in myself because it is the punishment. And if I don't do the punishment, it's going to be easier to continue to do the crime. Hey, what happened? My stream just went off. So Woodchip, you see the picture that's on stream right now? Ah, thank you. Yeah, maybe. For the beginning, there's a little bit of leeway. Fuck, I'll have to get out of this trade. You cocksucking gold. You traded, you were like fucking making a mint. That's it, I gotta get out. It's supposed to be a 4-lot. Let's go get me, save some money on the loss. Yeah. Okay. Wait, don't go nowhere. Let me open it up. So there's that one. And background. Why is it showing? It's not supposed to show. There's this one. It's not, didn't change either. Okay, I'm really confused. It's like nothing's working. Cam Discord. I know why. Okay, you gotta wait a second. Okay, there's this. That's a fake video, as you can probably see by the time. I think the time. Oh no, the time's actually showing. That's good. Is it playing? Yeah, it's playing. See how I move around? And let me fix my camera on Discord, and I'll tell you what this is all about. Let me go out of the channel that I'm in, because my Discord camera is on a different channel when I do it privately, in the private channel. Camera, turn on camera, stretch it out. Oh, that's an interesting article you sent me. Retail bots swarm S&P options at predictable times. I definitely want to read that. I didn't even see that. Okay, I'm going to look at that. Anyway, so, yeah, well, now I got to turn this. So here's my camera. That's my Discord camera. So what I'm thinking is, now that you see, this is me now. Wave. Okay. Yeah, there you go. That's the fake one, but it's a video. So I can't talk. I don't talk in it, but I'm moving around, so it looks like I'm there. And then, of course, if I don't have that, then I have the fake image. The fake image is no good. That's just for fun. But the video. Why would I put the video? Oh, wait a minute. 102 should be short. Let's get on short. 102. Let's see what happens. The video. So if I run an algo, I'm thinking to run an algo at night. Maybe this one right here. And create a video that loops. You know, maybe I film myself for a half an hour. People don't talk in the middle of the night, but at least it looks like someone's there. Someone's paying attention rather than it's just a stupid stream. What do you think? What do you think, Mr. Moderator? I'll put up one chart. Maybe I'll put up the instructions of the algo. Gold. Well, gold is really not playing nice. It's doing the exact worst pattern and you can imagine for it to try and make money. Another stop out. Anyways, let's put back on the real me. Let's get the real Slim Shady back on. NQ has gotten cemented into the ground. And gold did a real piece of shit move. And the sad thing is, the way I'm trading gold off those bands, I should have entered short here. Could have caught a nice move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 2 up. Anyways, there'll be another one. These bands are good. I like these bands. They're adaptive. Let's call them adaptive bands. They're the adaptive bands. They're the magical adaptive bands. You've been lied to about adaptive bands if you're using them the old way. Hey, I think there's even sound on the fake mic vid. Let's take a look. Let's raise it. Close my camera. Stop it. Start it. I think there's sound. I may even say a thing or two every now and then just to make it seem like I'm alive. Let's check it out. Oh, I hummed. Anything else? I think I say something. No, I'm not. I don't sing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Oh. I played with the poker chips. Oh, it's a long video. I mean, it's not long. It's 10 minutes. Ah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. What the fuck am I thinking? Oh no, there's 2 minutes left. It's been 2 minutes so far. It's 4 minutes. I gotta get my algo running tomorrow night. I'm curious to see. One minute left. Still, I didn't talk. And still, NQ Hasn't gone anywhere. Trading in within a 10-point range for almost a half an hour. Almost at an hour. "27 seconds left." Yeah, I guess I didn't talk in it because if you talk in it, it's easier to see that it's a loop. I want to see when it ends. I tried to end it looking in the exact same place as when I started. I think you see a little bit of a jerk. It's here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there's a little bit of a... But you might not catch it. You might not catch it. It's very small. A little bit of a shake. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's go back to the real video. Fake mic vid, remove. Real mic vid, still short from 484. Yeah, I'm looking to take a short in gold. Do I have a chart to do it on? Hopefully gold will play nice. Short in gold. Might get a short in the NQ, another one, even though it's already in a short. Come on, gold. Let's go down $2.50. That'll be $100. That's all I'm asking for. $2.50. Let's even put in the buy limit right there. Right there. 92.50 to 89.9. You didn't want to go over 400. Let's get lower. Open it up. So you can see it. Going the wrong way. I need to add. Let me fix my average price if I can. Reduce the risk. So now I have a 4 lot at 393.4. 3.4, so I'm going for 3.5. That's on a 4 lot. 40, 81, 20. That's $140. It'll probably chew through my entire loss. Almost. And my stop is crazy close. My stop is over here. So look at that. That's my stop and that's my take profit on this trade. Anybody? Still short from 484. Yeah, that was a long time ago. That was a century ago. Oh, I'm supposed to be in bed at 11 o'clock. My wife is waking me up to exercise tomorrow. Moving my limit. We gotta chase the sun to it's running dry. I changed it right away, okay? I'm gonna take the fucking song out. I'm gonna go into my audio editor, I'm gonna locate it, and I'm gonna dump another song on top of it. Or you know what? I can just cut it out. Actually. That way I don't have to stress that I'm giving you a stomach ache. Pump up the jam. Yeah, we can go for that song. I can listen to it. I like it. Lo-fi, properties, browse, music, Spanish. It's the first song. Version 1. Okay. Watch. Now my trade's gonna go right to profit. This music does good for me. It's making me look like a liar. Oh, no, no. There you go. You see? You see? You see? Maybe just because the stream's on a delay. Get to take profit. Yes, I remember. There's no vendors on the street selling tortillas or quesadillas. Just cheese dogs. Fuck, we used to do that. We used to eat those when we were in Acapulco. The guy would be selling cheese dogs on the corner at 8 in the morning when we used to go to the beach. He has his jar of mayonnaise. Then we would go to the club and come out at 2 in the morning. The same fucking guy with the same jar of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is like all discolored yellow from sitting in the sun all day. We didn't care. We were drunk. Put the fucking mayo on the cheese dog. And we never got sick. Crazy things you do as a kid. Wow, I'm almost in the mood to do an all-night stream, trade gold, but I want to exercise tomorrow, so I don't have the energy of Superman. I don't hear it.
Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤이 우리 천국. Fuck the world, this is our show. Every night at 12. Every night at 12.
Wow, even gold is like sleepy, eh?
Breaking all the rules.
But Sim 101 did good tonight. Bada bing, bada bang.
Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the more she sees. Try to
Oh, that's supposed to be a stop out. Wouldn't it be great if I don't even have to take a loss if it just goes down at my price? That's better than my price. Ah, I love it. You know what? There's nothing better than a losing trade that doesn't lose you any money.
Watch me blow. Can't show me now, watch me show. Now did you know me now? Got me figured out, please. So bestie must be me por there. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo me secret is there. Breaking through the walls, yeah, no match atrás, yeah. Slow it down, still I'm burning. Feel the heat inside me turning. 3, 2, 1.
I'm trying to apply a filter to make myself better looking.
Esta noche exploto, watch me blow.
Luma key, render delay, scaling, scroll, sharpen. Luma key? Luma max, Luma smooth, Luma min. I don't know what these are. Escrotum, escrotum. Okay, get rid of the Luma, delete. Let's try the most obvious one. Chroma key, no. Color correction. Gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation. Hue! Okay, let's play with the hue. The hue right now is at 0. Let's go to one end. Makes me green. The other end makes me green. I'm colorblind, remember that. So green and green. And it's not even affecting my skin. No matter what I do, the background's changing, but I still look pale. Maybe there a little bit.
Circles again while the world's getting darker. Yo no sé qué hacer when your memory hits me. Me como se fía sin ti, and these hours keep breathing on me. Pensando en ti, que sí, que sí. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más.
Yeah, we're still looking for trades, even though the disco's popping. You see, this is what people do when they're bored. I'm back. Okay. Hey! My clickers! Remember you said the clickers? I can drive you guys nuts with the music and with a clicker. I was in the car with my daughter. She was playing the music. We were dancing. I said, I'm doing this. It was Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Okay, I don't know. Is it worth really to hang around and wait for... oh, wait. Gold might still give me a trade. It's been a bugger. It hasn't been making money, but...
Better run while you can, porque soy el watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh.
Well, the volatility is insanely low. ATR is insanely low. No trades are triggering in. I need volatility. I don't think we're going to get anything tonight because I'm closing down soon.
Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Sola hit por ejemplo, no hay quien me controle. Tonight I might lose it. Better pray that
You told me to dance. I did Gangnam Style. This is the best you're gonna get out of me. Sounds good. Talk soon. Let's see if we can get something in gold, and it would be kind of nice if NQ. Do you see the NQ chart? Yeah, you see the NQ trade. We don't have to get much lower for it to close. Hard to see on that chart, eh? Well, we gotta get to 47.75, 47, 1, 2, 3, 55. It's gotta get to 55. We're almost there. 2 points away and it'll close out. Just gotta get down to 55. So on this chart here, right there, closes here at 55. That'll be a phenomenal evening for Sim 101. Sim 102 is not making sense. It's like it's taking trades when I'm not even looking. I don't see how it's down 1100. Doesn't make sense. I'm thinking it's trading on a different account.
Con mi música antigua en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano.
This is my wedding song. Hey, we should be out. Yeah, we are. 479. Not bad. And believe it or not, that one's out, but I have a trade now.
¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa.
At 55. Looking for a better price. Get in. 55 3/4 isn't better. 56 isn't better. Come on, give me 57, 58. Give me 3 points better. That'll really make the trade a good trade. Oh my God, 57, 58 is far away. Oof.
Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila?
Well, it's still going nowhere fast. Gold's still staying under the bands.
Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis vuelas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, baila conmigo.
Well, if this one gets down to 48, the trade's invalidated. 4 points away, and gold's really not doing much.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no go crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mommy, touch it, go my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me. Me tienes loco. Breaking my self-control. Poco a poco. You got that power over me. Can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. Power rush.
Okay, what just happened? The NQ trade is invalidated.
Got me hypnotized. No para parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly higher and higher. Racing faster, can't slow it down. 이제 멈출 수 없어. So now, turn it up loud. You got that power over me. Make tennis loco. Breaking my self-control.
Topstep disconnected, I don't know why. Gold, nothing. Unfortunately, I missed the trade in NQ. Another trade in NQ can form though, especially for the algo. Much quicker than a. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's an error in the charts now. Wonderful. Not even calculating price properly. I don't know why that happens with the top step chart.
Trust it by the heat, rising to compromise and let it flow through your veins. Try me a say. You got that power over me. Begin to go. Breaking my self-control. Poco. You got that power over me. Power. Can't fight this feeling, you're my energy.
Well, I tried to get in at 58 and we're trading at 38 now. Unfortunately, I didn't get filled. It was about here, I think, that I tried to get in. I wanted it to pop up to 58, but we didn't. So I miss it. What time is it? 11:30. Whew. Okay, wood chip. I think you're the only one left in the dance club. I think it's time to call it quits. Thanks for showing up. Yeah, I don't see anything that I'll be able to jump in on here. Yeah, algo might catch a trade, but I still find that interesting on NQ. It made $479 today. Again, that's trading 5 lots. It's not the amount. It means it made about $100 per micro. On the other hand, Sim 102 lost $200 per micro. If we're just tracking that way, you know what? Sim 102 on the gold is going to get in a trade, and I think I'm going to want to try and take it because we're still under the bands and we're under 3,400. So I'm going to stick around a little bit more. Let me put the music back on. Lower it a bit though. Let me take a poke here at gold before it runs away.
They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. So now we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low.
And we will take a trade in NQ if the opportunity presents itself. Where is the... okay, it's there. I was going to say, I don't even remember what trade the algo was on. Okay, we have a big trade developing in gold. Let's hope it doesn't rake me over the coals. There's another ad over here. going to be an expensive trade if it does. What's going on the 3-minute chart? Not much, actually. Didn't give me a chance to get in. Let's go, Sparky. Give me some help. Give me a couple of meows.
First beat drops, nerve hills gone, energy rising like the sun, the flow natural, automatic,
24 seconds and NQ. Curious to see if NQ closes higher. Closes higher or short. Okay, took a trade off the 3-minute chart. Trying something. At the end of 3 minutes, I add one more. Oh, 8 lot. Trading aggressive. Yeah, you know what? I'm not crazy about taking trades on the 3-minute chart. I think this is going to be the last one. I prefer it on the Rinkos. 3-minute charts are not equal. Candles are not equal size. You can't control risk the way I can do it in with the Rinkos.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento.
Renko it is. No more 3 minutes. 1 more minute. Candle closes bullish, which most likely will. I can't believe gold went to sleep too. There we go. Yeah, I'll go in short. At 455. I'm short at 445, 10 points worse. I'm going to need gold to break down. And I'm going to need the NQ to weaken also. At the close of the candle, at the start of the next minute, which is 17 seconds away. Hopefully there'll be some good selling coming in both markets. 7 seconds. 2, 1. No, gold, you went the wrong way on the new candle. I wanted you to tumble. I wanted you to go down $2 on the new candle. Both of you. The next 3 minutes will determine my fate. And Q going the wrong way. 455, 451. I'll accept that. I guess I'm gonna go for it the proper way. What I mean by the proper way, take it off this chart, which I'm much more comfortable taking it off of. Which means there's one more add and then a stop. And if I'm unlucky, and it stops me out, so be it. Come on, gold. It's so hard to deliver one decent trade.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space.
We wait. Anything can happen. Right now they're going against me, but any second, the trend can change. The micro trend.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado,
Dancing alone, the silence by my side.
Phone died. I'm back. That's it? Full charge that quickly? That's pretty impressive. I already did. I did the Gangnam Style dance. That's the most you'll get out of me.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnessing
Okay, why is gold going against me? It's not fair. Why am I short 20? Wasn't it supposed to be 16?
in this quiet space.
I'm looking to add into NQ if I have to. Wow, the other NQ is already in green at 55. I got a shitty price at 51. What am I down? I'm down 249 with an open loss of 284. I had 100 in gold. Gold can make a swift move in any direction. It just does that. It just decides it doesn't want to be priced at the current price, and it decides to go for a different price.
The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just taking low and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo better sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. The freedom that I found.
Yeah, somehow I got in a bad price on gold. I don't know how, but my execution was poor. My buy limit is where the next bearish candle will form. We got there before. I don't see why we can't get there again. 90.2, 90.1, 90. Let's go. 90. 90 bid, 90.2, 90.1, 90.1.2, 0.3. Didn't film me when it was 90 bid. I'm doing a 90 bid. I should have did a 90.1. But we'll see. 90.1 again. 89.9. I'm out. So that one brought in $200, I think. Now I'm down only $63, and we'll see what NQ does for me.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace.
My exit on my current short would be at 21,440. So let me put that in just to show you guys where my exit is. By limit. But I am going to be doing an ad on this trade if necessary. I'm hoping it won't be necessary.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, me libertad in this quiet space, just me. Wala solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
NQ going the wrong way. Not aggressively, but still kind of drifting. I'll try for another gold entry. Short up there, if it goes. Change the colors so you can see them. Limit orders, let's make them black. My favorite color for limit orders. There you go.
Makes everything feel so right.
Well, if NQ doesn't play ball with me, I'm gonna get taken to the cleaners. 55 plus 8, 63 is my ad. 62 3/4, 63. That's my ad. Wow, it's just going in the wrong way quickly. But again, you never know when it changes directions. Hopefully gold will be nice to me a second time in a row. Put in my buy limit on gold. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm on the 3-minute chart. I was going to say 8.3 range. No, it's 4.24. $11.30 rebalance. Should have reminded me before. 12 hours apart. I'm hungry. 8:44 where you are. Let's go out for a supper. A late supper. You have a lot of street food in the area where you are? We don't have any here. It's against the law. Believe it or not. It's against the law. There's a few carts downtown that have permits. Yeah, food trucks. Yeah, I have a few food trucks here, but not a lot. Like I said, they kind of outlawed it here. You need a special permit. You need to suck on the mayor's dick or give him a big fucking fat bribe or something. I don't know. There's like 6 of them in the whole, well, we call it a province, but think of it like a state. Every 1,000 miles or 10,000 miles, they put one truck. So stupid. Do you know we were the last place in North America that allowed turning on a red light? Turning right? We were outlawed from turning right on a red light up until, I don't know, just a few years ago. It's a backwards place to live over here. Ottawa has a lot of food trucks. And, me and my wife used to go visit my brother who's in Ottawa. We'd have a great time. We'd go to the market. It was like an outdoor market. There was trucks and carts, and I love that food. I want the pretzel. I want the big sausage dog. I want the burger. I wanted everything. Oh, it looks so delicious. But we're going out for supper. This is my supper. I want the good food. Blooming onions. I remember they had that too. I don't know if you know what that is. It's like an onion opened up, sliced in these little strands, and then they bread it and they fry it. So it's like a big onion ring, just all attached. If the markets participate just a little and do a little bit niceness for me, I can get out of this jam I'm in. I've had the bloom. I want to get out of this and I want to go. I'm tired. I'm supposed to be in bed an hour ago. Hey, both of you are going the wrong way now. When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just true. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the moon is growing. These changes in flow taking a long time to develop. Tonight, it's really quiet. No passport needed when we rock. It's the remote breaks the deadlock. I should get out of my long here, but I'm really not in the mood to lose that much. On NQ, I want it to come down a little bit more. I don't like this trade anymore. Come on, 60, 57. Just go down a few points. I'm not asking for much. There we go. Come on, take me out. There we go. Okay, so we escaped trouble on that trade. Now it's the gold trade. I don't want that chart anymore. No more 3-minute chart. It's pollution. Bailando West. Bailando East. Bailando So north. If I wasn't on stream, I swear to God, I'd be clicking this like a maniac. I'd click it till it breaks. It's addictive. This is addictive, and you know what else is addictive? I don't even see it anymore. Oh, this. The desk bell. I love the desk bell, except it makes my dog bark. She thinks he's gonna get a cookie every time. Well, the gold can turn me green. Hey, it's true. Wow, look at the Sim 101. It's true, I forgot. Sim 101 is still short. He got in at a better price. Nine lot is quite bid. I was trading aggressively. I should try and get out of this trade at about $1. Just go down to like 6.3, 6.7, 6.8, wrong way, 6.9. Let's get up fake mic again. Let's put up the mask mic. Nobody pays attention anyways to the streamer. Hey, you know what? Fake vid mic. Fake vid mic with me talking, nobody in the world will know. Nobody will notice that I'm talking, but the mouth isn't moving. How crazy is that? I love it. You guys are going to wonder, what the fuck? How is he talking accurately about the charts and everything, but his mouth isn't moving? He's a ventriloquist. There we go. 6.2. I'll take 6.2. 6.1. Come on. 6.1. Sell it. I'm out. I end the day. Ha! Up $15. That's some masterful trading. If I say so myself. Okay, guys. What's up? Whoever else is, if there's anybody else in the room. That was fun. Thanks for your company. I am going to bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15. Thanks for hanging out.